Hello viewers, again come back with a new video. Past tense, 4 kinds of past tense: past simple, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Past tense. The past tense is a verb tense used for a past activity or past tense state of being. বাংলা চিনিবার উপায়: বাংলা ক্রিয়া শেষে ল, লাম, ত, তাম, তে, তেন এদের যে কোনো একটি যোগ থাকে। Example: He jumped in the lake. I went to the market. This is a past activity. Past simple. The simple past tense is used to describe a completed activity that started in the past and ended in the past. Positive structure: subject plus past form of verb plus object. Example: They played cricket. He bought a book. Negative sentence: subject plus did not or didn't plus present form of the verb plus object. Example: He did not eat rice. I did not go to the market. Interrogative sentence: did plus subject plus present form of the verb plus object plus note of interrogation. Example: Did you eat rice? Did they finish the work? Subject plus was were plus object, another structure. Note: I, he, she, it and subject যদি সিঙ্গুলার নাম্বার হয় তাহলে was বসে, you, they, we এবং সাবজেক্ট যদি প্লুরাল নাম্বার হয় তাহলে were বসে। I was at school. He was not happy with me. Past continuous tense. The past continuous or progressive tense is used to describe an ongoing activity in the past. Often, it is used to set the scene for another action. Positive sentence. Structure: subject plus was were plus present form of the verb plus ing plus object. Example: He was singing a song. They were walking together. Negative sentence. Structure: subject plus was not, were not plus present form of the verb plus ing plus object. Example: I was not taking tea. He was not teaching English. Interrogative sentence. Was or were plus subject plus present form of the verb plus ing plus object plus note of interrogation. Example: was he reading the book? Were they traveling to Chittagong? Past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to emphasize that an action was completed before another took place. অতীতকালে দুটি কাজ সম্পূর্ণ হলে যে কাজটি আগে হয় সেটি পাস্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্স হয় এবং যে কাজটি পরে হয় সেটি পাস্ট ইনডেফিনিট টেন্স হয় থাকে। স্ট্রাকচার: subject plus had plus past participle form of the verb plus object. Example: He had done this assignment last week. The students had stood up. Structure 2: first subject plus had plus past participle form of the verb plus object plus before plus second subject plus past form of the verb plus second object. He had come home before I went to school. এই বাক্যটিতে before এর পূর্বে যে অংশটি সেটি হচ্ছে past participle আর before এর পরে যে অংশটি সেটি হচ্ছে past indefinite. Structure 3. Second subject plus past form of the verb plus second object plus after first subject plus had plus past participle form of the verb. এই স্ট্রাকচারের উদাহরণটিতে দেখতে পাবেন যে after এর পূর্বের অংশটি past indefinite এবং after এর পরের অংশটি past perfect. Past perfect continuous or progressive tense. The past perfect progressive tense is used to show that an ongoing action in the past has ended. বাংলা চিনিবার উপায় বাংলা ক্রিয়ার শেষে তে ছিল, তে ছিলে, তে ছিলাম, তে ছিলেন ইত্যাদি উল্লেখ থাকলে past perfect continuous tense বোঝায়. Structure. Subject plus had been plus present form of verb plus ing plus object plus time reference. Past perfect continuous tense একটি টাইম নির্ধারিত থাকবে. Example, they had been gossiping for 2 hours. তারা 2 ঘন্টা ধরে আলাপ করতেছে বা খোশ গল্প করছে. Alan had been playing cricket for 18 years. অ্যালেন 18 বছর ধরে ক্রিকেট খেলছে. Negative sentence. Subject plus had not been plus present form of the verb plus ing plus object plus time reference. Example, they had not been eating lunch for 2 months. Sharif had not been doing his assignment since 10 o'clock.